Gabriel Cooks. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and I came from the high school for construction trades, engineering, and architecture in Ozone Park, Queens, and I am in the mechanical engineering technology. Alfred State allows students the opportunity to get a more hands-on based knowledge set. We get a lot of labs working with machinists and seeing how the parts that we design or innovate on are actually made instead of just Calculus 5, Calculus 7, going into all of the theory. We get to do a lot more hands-on based things, and I think that's more applicable to working in the actual industry. So not only are the professors really easy to talk to in class, they're very down-to-earth people, but they make themselves available to you. They have good office hours, and if you can't make those office hours, they're happy to make themselves available to meet with you at a time that works for you, even outside of class time. And they're industry professionals as well. All the professors have worked in industry, so they're giving us actual anecdotes of their experiences. So I got involved in the Woodsman team, Pioneer Woodsman team. They're a really awesome group of people. I got involved with the SAE Baja Club, which is a club where we build an off-road vehicle. So if you're in engineering, that's a really good club. And I got involved in the local fire department, the local volunteer fire department, A. Crandall Hook and Ladder Company. And that has been quite the experience, being on the other side of a 911 call and responding to emergencies, getting free training. It's really awesome. Alfred State has helped me answer the call to the future I've always wanted.